Hi, welcome to the PhpStorm Masterclass course, the best ID for programming with PHP and full stack. My name is Idran Arias. I'm a software engineer with more than 20 years of experience of web development and principally with PHP. In the last 5 years, I have used and continue to use the IDE PhpStorm. PhpStorm is my favorite IDE, and it's one of the best IDEs to work with web projects based on PHP. It's the perfect IDE, for example, to work with Symfony, Laravel, Drupal, WordPress, Zend Framework, Magento, Joomla, CakePHP, and many other frameworks. Not only with back-end technology, but also with front-end technology, because PhpStorm has everything that WebStorm has included. So we can also program and develop web pages with HTML5, CSS, Sass, Stylus, CoffeeScript, TypeScript, Emmet and JavaScript. We can launch a development environment. We can work with Git directly. We can test our APIs with client REST. We can do everything that we need to do a full stack development with PhpStorm. Now, what will you learn in this course? We'll see how to install PhpStorm, how to configure it, every part of PhpStorm, both for development, back-end and front-end, how to navigate the interface with all the shortcuts, to accelerate the development times, how to navigate the code, and how to do refactoring, how to create live templates to use in our projects, how to do debugging with Xdebug, and also how to do debugging with JavaScript, how to connect to a database, for example MySQL, how to connect to GitHub, how to do push-pull towards GitHub projects, how to develop with local Git with CVS, how to do the deploy of our projects on remote servers, for example with FTP, SSH. We'll see how to optimize PhpStorm to work with Laravel, what the plugins are that we need to install, and what packages to install to accelerate our development times with Laravel. We'll also see how to create file watchers to compile our JavaScript files in webpack and TypeScript. We'll see how to create Angular projects in React, and everything that has to do with front-end, back-end, databases, and remote servers. This is all integration with Git and GitHub. This will all be seen during this course. I hope you'll enjoy it, and it will help you in your development days, front-end, back-end with PhpStorm. Bye!